Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science class, 7th Standard, Geography, Unit 1. Students, can you guess the answers for the following questions? Name the planet where life exists, and then which is called as blue planet. Exactly. The only planet where we can live is the planet Earth. Earth is called as blue planet. Our home, the planet Earth, is third in line from the sun among all the planets. Also, our planet Earth is a very unique planet. Do you know why? Because it supports life. It is the only planet on which you will find plants, animals, human beings, birds and butterflies, even insects. So, all these living beings live only on planet Earth among all the planets in the solar system. That's why it's unique. But have you ever thought what exactly makes it so unique? The two most important things, they are air and water. Air contains oxygen which we breathe, and of course water. Without drinking water, can you survive? You can't. In fact, they are so important that if you compare, you will find that without oxygen, you cannot even live 3 minutes. If you don't eat food, you can still survive for 3 weeks. But if you don't get water, you won't even survive 3 days. And about oxygen, if you don't get oxygen, you will not survive 3 minutes. So, you see how important water and oxygen are. Even without food, you can survive for 3 weeks, but not without oxygen and water, and that is what makes our planet Earth so unique because it has these two elements in huge quantities for us to survive. Let's talk about water. Our Earth surface is covered 70% with water. In fact, there is so much water on planet Earth that if you look from outer space, our planet looks blue. That's why it's called the blue planet. What about air? Where does the air or our oxygen come from? Yes, our planet Earth is surrounded by a thick blanket of air, just like we have blankets, which saves us from very cold season. Similarly, our Earth also has an air blanket which keeps it warm. At the same time, it contains very important oxygen which is required for us to breathe and survive. And also, our planet Earth has right temperature. It is neither too hot like Venus, neither too cold like Mars. It has the exact temperature for us to survive. In fact, planet Earth is 513 million kilometers away from Sun. which is the perfect distance from the sun so that it does not get too hot or too cold. That is why our planet Earth is very unique planet and it helps us to survive. So it's our responsibility to take care of it. Okay students, let's move on to layers of the earth. The outermost layer is the solid crust. Next is the highly viscous layer called the mantle. Below the mantle is the liquid outer core of the earth. A solid inner core forms the earth's innermost layer. The topmost layer, the crust, is the thinnest layer. This layer can be classified into oceanic crust and continental crust. The oceanic crust, that is, the crust beneath the earth, is only about 5 kilometers thick. On the other hand, the continental crust can be as thick as 35 kilometers. The earth's crust is thinnest in valleys and thickest under mountain ranges. The continental crust is composed of two minerals, that is, silica and alumina. The combination of these two elements gets of the name Sial. That is, the continental crust is composed of Sial. The oceanic crust is composed of silica and magnesium. It is called Sima. Did you know when the earth's crust gets erupted, the hot molten magma, ash and gases come out from the core to the earth. This results in the formation of volcano. The magma that is released from the surface of the earth is called lava. The mantle lies just below the earth's crust and it's 2,900 kilometers deep. That makes it thickest among all the layers that comprise the earth. It is made up of viscous material. The temperature and pressure within the mantle are high as it is located below the crust. And then finally the core. The core consists of outer and inner core. The outer core lies just below the mantle. It is mainly made up of nickel and iron. This combination gets of the name knife. The materials within the outer core are in a liquid state. The temperatures in the inner core range from 5000 to 6000 degrees Celsius. The average density of core is 13 gram per centimeter. Okay students, I hope you are clear with this topic. Shall we recall now? Yes, the earth is made up of several different layers of materials. The outermost layer is the crust. The upper part of the earth crust is Sial. The lower part of the earth crust is Sima. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick. And then the core consists of outer and inner core. Okay students, thank you.